Is everyone around you sniffling and coughing? Don't just cross your fingers and hope for the best. It is time to be proactive and give your immune system the love and support it needs to stand strong. Instead of waiting to feel under the weather, let's explore some delicious, powerful, and all-natural drinks that can help keep you feeling your best. These aren't just tasty beverages. They're your secret weapon for staying well. Let's dive into 6 amazing immune-boosting drinks you can easily make at home. First up, we have a classic for a reason: elderberry tea. If you're looking for serious immune support, this is your go-to. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can give your immune system a significant boost. They have been used for centuries to fight off colds and flu. A warm cup of elderberry tea is not only soothing but also works hard to protect your body from the inside out. You can find pre-made tea bags or use dried elderberries to brew your own potent concoction. It's a simple, effective, and delicious way to fortify your defenses. Next on our list is the incredibly nourishing bone broth sipper. Think of this as a warm, healing hug in a mug. Bone broth is rich in minerals like magnesium and calcium, as well as collagen and amino acids, which are crucial for gut health. And since a large part of your immune system resides in your gut, keeping it happy is key to staying healthy. Sipping on warm bone broth can help reduce inflammation and provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and defend itself. It's the ultimate comfort food that doubles as a health tonic. Let's talk about our third powerhouse, the apple cider vinegar immunity drink. A CV is a wellness superstar, known for its ability to support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut means a stronger immune system. To make this drink, simply mix a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. You can add a touch of honey for sweetness and a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's a zesty, invigorating drink that helps balance your body and prepare it to fight off any unwanted germs. Craving something sweet and comforting? Our fourth drink is warm ginger apple cider. This is pure comfort in a mug. We're not talking about the sugary store-bought stuff, but a wholesome version you can make at home. Gently heat some natural, unfiltered apple cider with slices of fresh ginger and a cinnamon stick. Ginger is a fantastic anti-inflammatory and can help soothe a sore throat, while the natural sweetness of the apple cider makes it a delightful treat. It is the perfect cozy beverage for a chilly day when you need an extra layer of protection. Feeling a little tickle in your throat? Reach for our fifth concoction, the honey lemon cayenne elixir. This drink is both soothing and spicy, offering a 1-2 punch against sickness. The honey coats and soothes your throat, lemon provides a great dose of vitamin C, and the cayenne pepper helps clear up congestion and gets your circulation moving. Just mix the juice of half a lemon with a teaspoon of honey and a small pinch of cayenne pepper in a mug of hot water. It's a simple, potent mix that can help you feel better in no time. Last but certainly not least, we have the ultimate anti-inflammatory hero: lemon ginger turmeric tea. This vibrant golden tea is a triple threat against illness. Lemon provides that essential vitamin C, ginger soothes and aids digestion, and turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories you can find. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant. To maximize its benefits, add a tiny pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb the curcumin more effectively. This tea is a fantastic daily ritual to reduce inflammation and keep your immune system in top shape. So there you have it, 6 simple, natural, and delicious drinks to help you stay well when everyone around you is sick. Don't wait until you're already feeling down. Incorporate these powerful beverages into your routine to give your body the support it needs to thrive. Save these ideas for later, and here's to staying healthy and well naturally. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more wellness tips.